Easy cinnamon roll coffee cakes in under an hour. Let's bake together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore delicious recipes and share them with you. Today, we are going to be making something truly special, cinnamon roll coffee cakes. This is the perfect recipe for anyone who loves cinnamon rolls and coffee cake, as it combines the best of both worlds. So let's dive right in and get started with our recipe. To begin, we need to gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. For the cinnamon roll filling, you'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And for the glaze, you'll need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get started with the recipe. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch square baking dish. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, melted butter, buttermilk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well combined. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, combine the softened butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Mix until it forms a smooth mixture. Now, pour half of the batter into the greased baking dish. Then, spoon the cinnamon roll filling on top of the batter, making sure to spread it evenly. Finally, pour the remaining batter over the filling. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's make the glaze. In a small mixing bowl, combine the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Mix until it forms a smooth glaze. Once the cake is finished baking, let it cool for a few minutes before drizzling the glaze on top. Serve warm and enjoy. And there you have it, folks, our delicious cinnamon roll coffee cakes. This is the perfect recipe for anyone who loves cinnamon rolls and coffee cake, and it's sure to be a hit with family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this. And as always, thanks for watching. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.